Hi YouTube, how you doing? I hope everybody's been great out there. It's been a minute. It's been a minute y'all see me on your screen with a new haul or new styling video. Yeah, your girl just been a little bit on the lazy side from filming, and then I've been very busy with family and all that good stuff. But I'm back, new, fresh, and ready to go for you guys. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome. Thank you for checking me out. And if you are just passing by, why don't you think about, hitting that red button right there. Also, don't forget the bell next to it so you guys can be notified every time your girl drop a video. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a Fashion Nova haul. Yes, your girl went on Fashion Nova, but some little things, mostly dresses, and I have one jumpsuit and two sets to show you guys today. I am going on vacation, so two of the outfits right there, I am taking them on vacation next month. It is my birthday on the 8th, and it's also Mother's Day. And if you don't know, I am a mother. I have 3 kids, so I'll be celebrating my birthday and Mother's Day, okay? But I'm going on vacation next month. I'll be taking 2 of those outfits with me on my vacation. So guys, if you want to see what your girl got on Fashion Nova website, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Yeah, it's spring, all right, and spring, it's meant to be colorful, like meant to be bright. Okay, so I went on Fashion Nova and I got me this orange dress right here. Tell me you like this dress without telling me you like this dress. I'm just there's the blue one, perfect. There's the brown one, okay. There's the red one right here. And I got this dress as ever. They have it in a white, and I cannot wait for them to restock on the white. I want it. The only color I'm not gonna get, I think they have a lime green. I don't think I want that one. Nah, that's the only color I'm not gonna get. But baby, this outfit is everything. It's a neon orange, and on the body, even if you don't have a body like mine, this dress is still gonna give you the vaba boom boom boom, the pa 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 pa, the body looking all nice and cute and everything, okay? This dress right here, you need to have it in your closet if you are risky enough, because if you have this outfit on, you cannot wear no underwear, you cannot wear no bra, okay? If you want it, you could just wear a nipple cover. I didn't wear a nipple cover with this because I'm not gonna waste my nipple cover just to show you guys for 5 seconds, okay? So yeah, this dress right here is everything. It has a little slit right here on the back. It is gorgeous. It does have a boning right here on the chest. It helps hold your titties up. If you have a big chest than mine, I am 34D, and I think I'm 34 double D right now. I'm not sure, but okay. But I'm 34D. We're sticking with 34D, okay? So it fit perfectly well with my breast. And let me move closer. Like I said, it does have a boning right here that holds you up and give your cleavage a little bit more sexiness. If you didn't get anything in this haul, get this dress. I got this in a small, and it's called the No Cut Given Bandage Midi dress. Oh God. Oh God. For me to have 5 color of it, y'all should know this dress is the bomb jiggity. I will link everything in the description box, okay guys? Wahoo! It is a wahoo on this. Like I told you, it's spring, okay? We could go all out in a color. Any color you want. Even brown, yellow, pink, black. It is still go for this spring for this spring season. Not the orange. Orange on my skin tone. Orange on this melanin is chef kisses. It is beautiful. This one also, this is the orange one. I think they have it in all other colors. I know they have it in white. I want the white one. Even me and white, though me and white outfit, we not seeing eye to eye, okay? But I want it in white, okay? This is another one, so cute, so nice. I'm thinking, why is she doing the same thing in the same color? It ain't the same thing. But I got this one also. It's a nice midi dress. This one is called Misty Bandage Midi Dress, and it's a small in an orange. It has this crisscross thingy right here. It gives it a detail where it's cinching your waist and make it look really, really nice. It does have an adjustable strap over here, and it's very, very, very stretchy. Very, very stretchy, so be careful with that. I said go down a size. Definitely, guys, go down a size in these two outfits that I showed you guys. You guys see? It's very, very stretchy, and the bandage material is not that constricting on the body. So yeah, this is one other dress you guys should have in your closet. You guys should wear this. You can wear this on a date night. You can wear this to a birthday party or birthday dinner or brunch with your girls, and you could wear this to actually a wedding if you want to, and just put maybe a shawl on top of it or a blazer, and you should be able to go. So this another outfit. The only thing I wish this the detail thingy on it, right, the hardware thingy on here, I wish it was gold. That would make it better, but it's silver. But other than that, you can wear gold with this. You can wear any color of shoe or whatever accessories with this, and you'll be able to go. So okay guys, this next one that I got is one of the outfits that I'm going to be taking on vacation when I go in May. I am traveling in May for my birthday. My birthday is actually May the 8th, but I am traveling later in the month of May. So yeah, so it is this one right over here. It does have this pattern which covers your chest, and it has this little detail as a belt right here, and you can also tie right here, and it's also an halter top. It is very, very long and cute. You can wear this on the beach and looking all cute. It does have a slit on both sides. Really cute, really nice. I said go down the size also on this one because the waist has this elastic thingy right here. If I had known, I would have gotten me an extra small instead of a small, but I feel like if I got a small, there won't be enough thingy to cover my my chest on this one. But I think it's really cute. It's really nice. It does have a lining on the inside, like a little skirt on the inside where it won't show your butt area, but every other one is pretty see-through and really clear. It's very airy, so if you're on the beach and all that good stuff, you won't be hot, you won't be too you won't be burning hot and all that good stuff. You are going to be pretty open on the back, so a good old sunscreen would do you well. Okay, so yeah. And it has this circle like a ring. Let's see if you guys can see that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, it has this little ring thingy right there in the middle. Give it a little bit of sexiness going on with it. But other than that, this is really cute. It is like a linen kind of material. So yeah, this is really cute also. Good. Okay, the last dress that I got from Fashion Nova is this beautiful copper dress right here. Really simple, really nice outfit. It does have this string right here, but it's very, very, y'all see how stringy that is? Very, very stringy, very, very long, and very cute too. This is called the Valeria midi dress. The other dress, the one I just showed you guys, is called Easy Weekend Maxi Dress. So yeah, this one is called the Valeria midi dress, and I got it in a size medium. Yep, and I'm normally a medium with Fashion Nova. If it has stretch, I'm a medium. If you have minimum stretch, I'm a medium. If it has a lot of stretch, I could get away with a small, extra small. But if it has no single stretch, I go for a large. So yeah, because the hips and the butt and all that good stuff. So, and then when I bring it up, it's so big on the top. But other than that, I'm cool. These have a minimum stretch to it. That's why I got a medium. If you have a lot of stretch, I would have gotten a small. But I'm so excited that I got a medium. It fit the body really well. It fit the body really nice. Come on. It fit the body really, really good. And it does have a slit right here in front. This is a very cute dress. You could also wear this to a wedding, or birthday dinner, or whatever it is that is going on in your life at the moment. You could definitely wear this, but you gotta be careful with the chest also, okay? Because this has a lot of string on it, so it tends to like pull down a little bit. So if you want, you could wear a half bra, a strapless bra with it, or you could just, you know, tape your boob up one way or the other way. It's not going to show. But yeah, it does have a zipper at the back. Really cute, really nice. A nice, beautiful black accessory with this. Black shoe, black purse. a nice beautiful accessory, earrings, nice necklace. You can layer your necklace with this one, just as simple and as dainty as the one that I have on today. It will look so good with this. A nice bracelet, watch, your ring, and you are bomb and good to go. This is really cute, really nice outfit. Can't wait to rock this. All right guys, the first set I got is this white. If you guys saw my my last video that I dropped, which is my spend a day with me, that I went on a birthday party and I wore white in it, this is the outfit that I wore. I'm gonna move back. It is white, so it's gonna definitely wash your girl out. It is 2-piece and it has this little tie, corseted thingy at the back. It does look like a corset, but it doesn't give you a lot of support. Even if you tie the string even tighter, it ain't gonna give you any single. Nice nipple cover will work really well with it. Okay, this is what it looks like. You guys will see it in the insert. It does have this curve right here on the chest, man. So sexy, so cute. So yeah, your boobs will fit right in there. And it does have boning, like not too strong of boning. It has it all over, right here, right here, right here, right here. So yeah, it is so cute. If you wear it, it's gonna look like it's a jumpsuit, because when I wore it out, a lot of people thought it was a jumpsuit. So it is not a jumpsuit. So I showed you guys how I would, when next I have to wear it again, I'm gonna tuck it in so it can look more of a jumpsuit, of a 2-piece than a jumpsuit. And here's the pants. It's pretty long and it's stretchy, really stretchy. It is a bandage material also, and it is called, oh shoot, yeah, I wore it already. Like I told you guys, I already took the tag off, but it would definitely, I'll put it on the screen right here and it'll also be in the description box. So yeah, this is really cute. I really love this. I really love it. It is very high-waisted. That's one thing I really love about it. It is very high-waisted. It is really good and really nice. It is long all the way down to your to the ankle. You see, I'm a stretch is in this pants. Really cute, really nice. One thing I would really recommend you guys have in your closet, because y'all know they're about to start having white parties and all that good stuff. So this will be. All right guys, the other set that I got is another white one. Okay, I am taking this one on vacation, so this is really cute. Also, it is a linen material. It is a crop top also that you could tie right here. You guys will see it in the video, because right now it's really washing me out. So you guys will see how I put it up together. The chest is very open, so if you want to wear it, I suggest you tape your boobs on this side and on this side, or you wear a nice bralette with those lacy nice little bralette. Any other color you want to wear instead of white, you could do that also with this one. So this is really cute, really nice. It is long sleeve. It does have 3 buttons right over here. It does have 3 buttons on both sleeves. Really cute. Wear a stacked up necklace with this one and it will be so cute. And this is the pants, pretty long. I would not be wearing heels with this. It would have to be flat because it's not long enough for me to pull heels with it. Really cute. This has no single stretch at all, and because it's gonna be going through my thigh, y'all see the thunder and the thigh? Okay, look, my thigh and my hips and my butt. I just respected myself and I got a large. I had to get a large and it fit perfectly well. It's snug, it's beautiful, it's cute, and it is called Tunnel Vision pant sets, size large and in white. This right here you should get into also if you want. It does have a little detail right here. You see that? It is pleated right there. That's the material, like a linen scrunchy kind of material. But yeah, really cute, really nice. I really love the last outfit that I got from Fashion Nova is a jumpsuit. The only one jumpsuit that I got, and is this beautiful one right over here. You guys can see what it looks like on my hand right now because it is cut everywhere. And this is called cut out the haters denim jeans. Really cutting out some haters because I do have some haters in my life at the moment. Okay, so this outfit is definitely speaking to me at the moment. All right, So it is cut out right over here on the sleeve area. It is cut out right here on the side. It is cut out right here on the stomach, and it's sleeveless. It has this razor back and a long zipper at the back, and it also have a belt with it. This is cute. It's long. This is not my favorite color of jean. Not really. I really like it to be much darker, but they didn't have the darker size when I bought this one. So, but yeah, this is this one. Really cute, really nice. I really love this. I'm gonna try to take this on vacation because it's not thick at all. I got this in a medium. It's not thick, it's stretchy and all that good stuff. So it'd be a nice vacation outfit to like go out at nighttime when you go into the club or something like that. Probably hold on to these two on vacation and just wear this on those evening when you just find a club or a lounge to go chill, go smoke hookah and all that good stuff. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys are the real MVP. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment to this channel. Guys, we're trying to grow. I told you guys I have my birthday coming up next month. So if we could get to 2,000 subscribers by my birthday, that would be the best birthday gift ever. But I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Everything I have today will be in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and shop. I will also have my referral link up there, so if you guys want to click that, you get to save some points off your shopping. All right guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah!